In this video, we are unboxing and demonstrating a medium flex head, long handle, quick release ratchet wrench. This is the medium flex head, long handle, quick release ratchet wrench. This tool is designed for working in tight spaces. Provides efficient and labor-saving removal and installation with excellent versatility. The ratchet head on this tool can be adjusted through 180-degree movement, making it suitable for a wide range of hard-to-reach areas. The long handle design provides additional leverage for easier operation. Next, we will demonstrate how to use the tool. First, we confirm the size of the bolt or nut being removed or installed. Select the correct socket size. Press and hold the button on the ratchet head. Install the socket. This tool can be used with medium drive sockets.
It can also be used with medium drive extension bars for added reach when needed.
For bolt removal, move the selector lever to the left side. This is the bolt removal mode. Align with the target fastener. Rotate the wrench to loosen the fastener. For tightening mode, move the selector lever to the right side. Install the socket onto the fastener. Rotate the quick release ratchet wrench to tighten the fastener. If the working area is extremely tight, you can adjust the ratchet head through its 180-degree range of motion. To complete the removal or installation more easily,